eMBIVA is an online software application purely made for the help of civil engineers and contractors. eMBIVA helps in preparing e-measurement book and assist in maintaining works accounting for the civil works. For you to get introduced you with eMBIVA, eMBIVA starts helping right from estimation and in preparing comparative statements, justification statements, and thereafter it continue helping in preparing e-measurement book and the supporting documents of the running account bills. Let us start. Press the login button. Type here your ID and password and press the button login. Immediately this page will open in front of you. This is dashboard of eMBIVA. Here in left side you can see some tabs are given. DSR Bank, it consists CPWD DSR 2018 and some model extra items. This is the basic rate bank and analysis bank. In this area, item analyses are saved. This is a tab for work name, and pressing it you can create new work name. You can save here the works details against the work names like details of estimation, details of A and ES, details of technical sanction, details of tendering, and then of course billing, etc. This is the tab for preparing estimation. Here you can prepare comparative statement and justification statement for the works. This is the section which helps you in preparing e-measurement book and its statements. And this is section for the profile. Here you can change your password and save important details of each and every work. Start from creation of the name of work. So for this demo work we create the name of work, and for this we will press this tab work name. Here it is visible that add work is a button here, and in this area the list of the works already prepared and created. So for addition of new work I will press this button and this window is in front of me. Here I will type the work name, the demo work dated 24/5/1921 डिवीज़न से भोपाल, सर्कल से Mumbai, Subdivision, Indore. By pressing this button add, the work is successfully added in our list. Here are two buttons, edit and delete. By pressing edit button, you can change the details of work. For example, the name of work, is any mistake is there, and this button you can use for deleting the work. Of name of work, we go to the section work details, and here after selecting our work by typing keywords, okay, this is the work is selected, and now we add details for the estimate and place this tab. This section is in front of us. Here we go to each tab and type the necessary details. Here reference of cost index, DSR year, cost index, basic index, cost escalation if any, departmental charges, contingencies if any, details of specifications and time limit, file number, etc., and save the work details. Okay, now this application is ready for go for estimation. It will be better to prepare a rough estimate in a paper like this. This will help you in estimation. First you select the name, then type here the DSR item numbers, but you have to type first the DSR year, then 2.8.1, it is the item of earthwork. Just pressing enter button of number keyboard, you will see the cursor is here. Here you can put the quantity. Automatically the calculation is done, and the cursor is again in the DSR item number box. Type the second item number 18.4.1.10 quantity, then again next item 18.10.2 quantity, again enter, cursor will go to the DSR item number box. Here you type next item number, type the quantity, press the enter button 2 times, and cursor will again in the item number box. Here we add a market rate item, so type the year of DSR, head of the item, and item will start from 900 and above. All extra items, all marketed items will start 900 and above. It is the item of apex paint on the exterior surface. Put the quantity here. Now our estimate, all items I entered, and here the amount of estimate is visible. For the report, press this arrow button of PDF file and select the estimate. So it is the report of estimate. Here the name of work, circle division, item number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth item is marketed item. So here MR 13.901, and as per the procedure, 6% enhancement is added, 19.5% cost escalation, 5% contingency, departmental charges are nil, and the total of this is 36283. Okay. By pressing the report section arrow, here is the report of TS. The TS is prepared by this application, and the TS amount is 30994. So we go to again the work detail section and save the information regarding estimate here. Here we will save the A&S details, the A&S amount 36283.00, TS amount 30994, estimated cost 36283.00, and like this. Reference of TS number if any. Okay, and save the details. In this way, the estimation work is done.